Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back from break. I hope you had a nice 4 days off, relaxing and having some fun at home, but it is time to get back to schoolwork. So I hope you're ready to learn today and do some fun activities. Let's jump right into our morning meeting and our calendar because we've got a lot of days on our April calendar to catch up with. So grab your April calendar and let's take a look. The last time we were together, we did our live Zoom call for the morning meeting, and we did that on Friday. The month was April, and Friday was the 10th. Friday, April 10th. So that's where you should be all caught up to on your calendar. So now after Friday, what came after Friday? It was the weekend. What day of the week comes after Friday? Saturday. Very good. It was still April. And if Friday was the 10th, what was Saturday? The 11th, a 1 and a 1. An 11th is a 1 and a 1. Awesome. So I'm going to put that on our calendar below the number 4 for Saturday. And I'm also going to find Saturday on my calendar like you are, slide my finger down and write in an 11th for Saturday, April 11th. Awesome. So then after Saturday, it was still the weekend. What comes after Saturday? Sunday. It was still our month of April. And after the 11th, if Saturday was the 11th, what does that make Sunday? The 12th. Very good. And a 12th looks like a 1 and a 2. Awesome. So let me find my 12th there. I'm going to put it up on our calendar. Look how fast April's going already. And on your calendars, go down to the next row, below the number 5, find Sunday and write in 12. Good job. Now normally after the weekend we'd be done because it would be Monday, but we had our little spring break on Monday, so we have to keep catching up. So I just told you that after Sunday came Monday. The month was April, and if Sunday was the 12th, what was Monday? The 13th, very good. And I know that the 13th looks like a 1 and a 3. Awesome. Remember those teen numbers. Somebody told me on our morning meeting not long ago, I was really proud of them for remembering, our teen numbers always start with a 1. So Monday was April 13th. Awesome. Next to the 12th, on your calendar, write in the 13th. Good job. We're almost there. So then yesterday, after Monday, what came after Monday? Tuesday. The month was still April. And if Monday was the 13th, Tuesday was the 14th. Awesome. And a 14th looks like a 1 and a 4. Another teen number that starts with a 1. 14th is a 1 and a 4. Below the number 7, find Tuesday and then go down below the number 7 and write in a 14. Awesome. Hopefully you remember those words I'm using. Next to, below, above, under are positional words. Hopefully you remember that. We'll have to do a project soon from home with positional words. Okay, finally that brings us back to today. Yes. So if yesterday was Tuesday, what's today? Wednesday, April. And if yesterday was the 14th, today is the 15th. Very good. A 1 and a 5 makes a 15th. I'm going to put that there for Wednesday. I'm also going to slide my finger down from Wednesday on my calendar and write in the 15th, a 1 and a 5. And we are finally all caught up on our calendar. Good job. Let's do today is. Everybody caught up? Everyone ready? Okay, good. Let's do today is. Here we go. Today is Wednesday, April 15th. Good. One more time. You guys say it now. Ready? Today is. Awesome. Now, I realize there's one thing we haven't done a lot since we've been home that we used to talk about every day during our morning meeting in the classroom. We talk about the days of the week, we talk about our month, and we talk about the numbers of the date, the actual date, like today's the 15th. but we keep forgetting, or Mrs. Gaffney keeps forgetting, to talk about the year. Now, I don't think anybody there no, you guys forgot about the year, but I thought to myself the other day, I better check in with them. So let me ask you, today is Wednesday, April 15th, in what year? 2020, or we can say it 2020, 2020. Awesome, good job. Okay, flip on over to your weather graph. I'm going to remind you that our season, how many seasons are there? 4, very good. And the season we're currently in is spring. What season did we just finish? What came right before spring? Winter, very good. So before we were in spring, it was that cold winter. And then when spring is over, remember seasons last about 3 months. When spring is over, what will be the next season? Summer, very good. Good job, you're remembering your seasons. But remember that today is the season of spring. Flip your weather graph over, flip your paper over to your weather graph. Take a look out your door, take a look out your window, and what is the weather looking like today? Weather's been a little bit crazy over the last couple days, right? If I remember, Sunday was really nice and sunny. Boy, oh boy, did it rain on Monday. Tuesday was kind of sunny. So what do you see today? Take a look and color in one rectangle. Is it sunny or cloudy or windy, or is it rainy again? Color it in. Awesome, good job. Okay, let me take a look. Oh, we forgot something. We forgot our days of the week. Awesome. So before you get rid of that calendar for the day, pick it on up. Pointer power on Sunday. Here we go. Let's go down the list. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. Now, what did we say a couple times already? It's not the beginning of our school week. Well, it is the beginning of our school week, but it's not when we normally start. It's not Monday. When are we starting our school week? What is today? Today is Wednesday already. Oh my goodness. Now, if today is Wednesday already, what was yesterday? Good. Before Wednesday comes Tuesday. And if today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? Good. Already Wednesday. After Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Good job. Now, the days when I do not do a morning meeting for you on video and you're doing your calendars and your calendar notebooks on your own, make sure I gave you 2 little links to click on to take you to YouTube. That Dr. Jean has her months of the year Macarena for you to practice the months of the year. And I also put the song up there for the days of the week. Days of the week. So make sure you practice those at home on the days where I don't do a video for you, okay? We want to make sure we don't forget those days and months. Awesome, good. Now I think we're ready for calendar notebook. Flip on over to your second page and let's check out where were we on Friday. The last time we were together for our morning meeting was Friday. And how many days were we learning as of Friday? Good. 140 days. 140 looks like a 1, a 4, and a 0. Awesome. But we're in school one more day. What comes after 140? Take a look at your calendar notebook if you're not sure. We're starting a new row. What comes after 140? 141. And what does that look like? A 1, a 4, and a 1. Awesome. Find that on your calendar notebook and trace it. And I'm going to take a 1 here, and I'm going to change our 0 in the ones place, and I'm going to make it a 1 for 141. Awesome. Now, we had a big day for our straws and our number counting on Friday, so let's remind ourselves what happened on Friday. First of all, for 140 on Friday, we know that we have 100. One big bundle of 100. And then we made a new bundle of how many on Friday? Good, we made a new bundle of 10. So how many 10s do we have now? 4. So for 140, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, we have 4 10s, 4 bundles of 10. Awesome. And we have 0 1s. Okay, that was for Friday, but now we're saying we're at 141 days. So what do I have to do? You're right, I've got to add one more straw. And what place am I putting it in? In the ones place. There we go. Awesome. 141 straws. Excellent. Okay, let's keep moving along to our 10 frames. Flip on over. They should look beautiful because we did 140 the other day. So we should have 14 10 frames all colored in. Pretty all together. Let's count by tens to make sure that we are all caught up. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Perfect. What are we going to do to get to 141? We're coloring in one more. Pick in a new 10 frame box and color in one square for 141 days of learning. Awesome. I also have our how many days have we been in school chart here, right? So we went from 10 all the way to the other day. We finished 140. So it's time for us to make 141. We're going to do one more square in a new 10 frame, but we've got to figure out what kind of stars, what kind of stickers I should use. Let's check out our patterns. Blue smiley, yellow smiley, green smiley, pink smiley. Purple star, yellow star, green star, purple star. Nope, blue star, sorry. Blue smiley, yellow smileys, green smileys, pink smileys. Okay, awesome, that pattern repeated. Let's repeat the pattern of the stars. Purple stars, yellow stars. Oh, what comes next after yellow stars? My favorite color, green stars. Awesome, so I'm gonna take a green star and I'm gonna start a new 10 frame on our how many days have we been in school chart. Okay, my green stars don't want to come off. Come on, green stars. I gotcha. Where are you? There you go. Green star for 141 days of learning. Awesome. Flip on over to those odd and even sneakers. Good job. Now, how many days did we say we're in school today? 141. Good job. 141, is it odd or is it even? It is an odd number. I almost said even, that was wrong. It is an odd number. 141 is odd because I know that you're going to tell me we're looking in the ones place, and a 1 in the ones place is all by itself, which means it's odd. Good job. Color in your one sneaker. Make sure it's all by itself. Awesome, good job. Flip on over. We are almost done. We've got some beautiful tally mark boxes. This is how your tally mark should be looking right now. You should have all 3 rows with your door shut, and you should have 1 box on the bottom with your door shut as well. We shut the door on Friday when we got to 140. So use your tally mark boxes and let's count by 5s to make sure we're all good. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Here it gets tricky. 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. Awesome, 140. 141 is where we are today. So what are we going to do? We're going to put 1 more tally mark. Awesome. Find a new tally mark box and put 1 tally mark in there for 141. Good job. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So let's close that up. Flip on over to that first page of our calendar notebook, and let's do our number of the day. So get your number mysteries paper out also, and let me take a look at what numbers we've used already. And let's see what I'm going to do for the number of the day. So I think the number of the day today, I've done 30s a lot, I've done 40s, I've done 50s. Have I done 60s? I have. Okay. But I think I'm in the mood to pick, let me make sure I haven't picked it before, number 82. How do you make an 82? An 8 and a 2. 82. Awesome. Take your number mysteries paper, find a gray box in the middle, and write in an 82. And then you're going to fill in what's one more and what's one less. What's 10 more and what's 10 less than 82. Awesome. Good job. Okay, close that on up. We are almost done with our morning meeting. I think we just need to finish with our sight word of the day.